Changing your business category on Geotab is a straightforward process that can help ensure your business is accurately represented. Follow these steps to update your category. Step 1. Log into your Geotab account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Business Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings or Business Settings section in the main menu. This area contains options related to your business profile and settings. Step 3. Select Business Category. In the Business Settings section, look for an option labeled Business Category or similar. Click on this option to view the current category assigned to your business. Step 4. Choose a new category. Browse through the list of available categories. Select the category that best fits your business operations. Ensure that the new category accurately reflects your services or products. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting the new category, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click this button to apply your changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your category has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your business category on Geotab. Regularly updating your business information helps maintain accurate records and improves your visibility.